In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix WhatsApp voice message problems on Android phone. It's a very easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Let's say you're trying to send a voice message to someone on WhatsApp, but it's just not picking up your voice. Maybe it's not even letting you press the button properly. There's two different things that we're going to go ahead and do to fix this. So what we're going to do is go over to our settings application. And then from here, go ahead and scroll down, and then towards the bottom, you're going to see apps. Now, go ahead and scroll down all the way down again. And then we want to go to WhatsApp, which is obviously going to be where W is. And then the first thing we want to do is just go to storage, then clear the cache. Once you've gone ahead and done that, that will fix any bug that's happening. But then we also want to make sure we go over to permissions. Once we're in permissions, you want to give it access to your microphone. So under not allowed, go over to microphone and then switch it to allow only while using the application, which means it's not always going to have your microphone on. And if you ask it, like if you switch to ask every time, it's literally going to ask you every time. So this is the best option. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.